I'm Marilyn Madsen, and this is my dog, Brandy. Jake was very informative. He showed me how to look up information about contractors so that I could not only evaluate GreenBay, but I could evaluate anybody else I got estimates from. So GreenBay has two lines of management. There's Jake, who does part of it, and then there's construction aspect of it, construction supervisor. The construction supervisors were very prompt in responding, and I could always get through when I needed to.